In the vast journey of life, have you ever stopped to ponder the true power of your thoughts and actions? How often do we underestimate the impact that a single, small gesture can have on our entire existence? Imagine this: the teachings of Buddhism remind us that the mind is everything. What you think, you become. Isn't that incredible? But here's something even more astonishing. Something as simple as carrying a small item in your pocket could unlock a world of inner peace, protection, and lasting happiness. Yes, it sounds almost too simple, but that's the beauty of it. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring how these seemingly insignificant objects can become profound symbols in our spiritual lives. You'll discover how cloves, garlic, and even a simple key can transform from everyday items into powerful tools that align you with the energies of the universe. And believe me, this journey isn't just about learning rituals, it's about changing your life in ways you never thought possible. 1. The sacred ritual of cloves, enhancing financial fortune. Can you believe that something as simple as a clove, yes, that little spice sitting in your kitchen, could hold the power to change your financial destiny? It's true. Across cultures, cloves have been revered not just for their flavor but for their mystical properties. But here's the secret: it's not just the clove itself, it's the intention and belief you put into it that makes all the difference. Imagine this: you carefully select 7 whole cloves, each one representing a piece of your future prosperity. As you hold them in your left hand, the hand that receives, you close your eyes and say with conviction, "I attract infinite wealth." And you say it not just once, but 3 times, each repetition embedding that intention deeper into your reality. How powerful is that? Now, you might think placing these cloves in your pocket is just a quaint tradition, but it's so much more. It's a physical manifestation of your intentions, a reminder that you are in tune with the universe's abundant energy. Think of the story of Siddhartha, also known as Anathapindika, a wealthy merchant who found true prosperity not just through his riches but through his generosity and spiritual devotion. When he faced financial challenges, did he give up? No. He trusted in the virtues of generosity and faith, and the universe responded in kind. What a lesson for all of us: by carrying those cloves, you're not just hoping for wealth, you're aligning yourself with the energy of abundance, just like Siddhartha did. And who knows? Maybe this simple act could be the catalyst that changes your financial future forever. Now, let's talk about garlic. Yes, garlic. You might use it every day in your cooking, but did you know it's also a powerful protector against negativity? It's true. For centuries, garlic has been more than just a kitchen staple. It's been a guardian, a shield against the unseen forces that can disrupt our peace. Picture this: you hold a clove of garlic, feeling its energy in your hand. You close your eyes and imagine a brilliant light surrounding you, pure, peaceful, and impenetrable. That light isn't just in your mind, it's real. And the garlic? It's the anchor that keeps that light strong and steady. How amazing is that? Carrying garlic with you is like having a personal bodyguard, one that protects you from negativity, both physical and spiritual. And here's the fascinating part: as time goes by, you might notice the garlic changing, absorbing the negative energy around you. When it does, it's time for a new clove, a fresh start, a renewed protection. Isn't it empowering to know you have this kind of control over your environment? Through this simple ritual, garlic becomes more than just a vegetable. It becomes a symbol of resilience, a constant reminder that you are safe, protected, and ready to face whatever comes your way. And honestly, who wouldn't want that kind of security in their life? Now, let's imagine holding a key, not just any key, but one that could unlock new opportunities in your life. Sounds incredible, right? But it's not just a fantasy. The simple act of creating a charm with a key can be your ticket to a life filled with abundance and success. Here's what you do: find a key that resonates with you. It could be a new one, or maybe it's an old key that holds some sentimental value. The key itself is important. But so is what you do with it. You tie a green ribbon around it, knotting it 3 times. Why green? Because it symbolizes growth, hope, and all the potential that lies within you. And those 3 knots? They're not just knots, they're promises you're making to yourself to pursue your dreams and embrace the opportunities that are just waiting for you to reach out and grab them. As you hold this key, say out loud, "I am ready for wealth and success in all shapes and sizes." Feel the power in those words. This isn't just about attracting good fortune, it's about telling the universe that you are open, ready, and willing to receive all the abundance it has to offer. Carry this charm with you wherever you go. Wear it around your neck, keep it in your bag, just make sure it's close to you, because this key isn't just unlocking doors, it's unlocking your future. And at night, place it under your pillow. Why? Because the stillness of night is the perfect time to connect with your deepest desires, to let your subconscious mind work its magic while you sleep. This key, my friend, is not just an object, it's a symbol of your journey toward a life filled with abundance and fulfillment. And let me tell you, the moment you start believing in its power, you'll see doors opening that you never even knew were there. Now, let's shift our focus to something that's equally powerful: your words. Yes. Your words have incredible power. The Buddha taught us that better than 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace. Just think about that for a moment. One word, spoken with intention and clarity, can change everything. Isn't that amazing? Mindful communication isn't just about saying the right things, it's about connecting with others on a deeper level, creating harmony and understanding in every interaction. Imagine the impact you could have if every word you spoke was filled with positivity, truth, and kindness. Start with deep listening. I mean really listening, not just hearing words, but understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. When you listen deeply, you connect with others in a way that's almost magical. It's like you're opening a door to their heart, showing them that you truly care. And believe me, that kind of connection is priceless. When you speak, do it with intention. Make sure your words align with your values, and always aim to uplift rather than harm. This isn't just about being nice, it's about creating a ripple effect of positivity that can spread far beyond what you might imagine. And guess what? When you speak mindfully, people will listen. They'll respect you more, trust you more, and doors you never thought possible will begin to open. And here's something truly beautiful: as you practice mindful communication, you'll start to notice that it's not just your life that changes, it's the lives of everyone around you. The energy you put out into the world through your words comes back to you, magnified. This is the interconnectedness that the Buddha spoke of, where every word and action contributes to the collective well-being of all. 4. Conclusion: the journey toward spiritual and material fulfillment. So, where does all of this lead us? To a life filled with abundance, protection, and deep fulfillment. The rituals we've explored, whether it's carrying cloves, garlic, or a key, are not just about the objects themselves. They're about what those objects represent. They're about the intentions you set, the beliefs you hold, and the energy you put out into the universe. And let me tell you, the universe is listening. Every time you carry those cloves in your pocket, or protect yourself with garlic, or unlock new opportunities with your key, you're telling the universe, I'm ready. I'm open to receiving all the good things that life has to offer. But here's the best part: this journey isn't something you have to do alone. We're all in this together, learning, growing, and sharing our experiences. When you embrace these practices, you're not just enriching your own life, you're contributing to a community of positivity and enlightenment. As you walk this path, remember that every step you take, every word you speak, and every intention you set is a part of your greater quest for success and spiritual fulfillment. And oh, what a journey it is! Let these practices guide you, support you, and transform you. The changes you'll see in your life will be nothing short of miraculous. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, embrace these teachings, and watch as your life begins to flourish in ways you never dreamed possible. You deserve all the abundance, peace, and happiness that the universe has to offer, and it's all waiting for you, right here, right now. Let's make this journey one of joy, discovery, and endless possibilities.